Hi there. So we're going to look at the angle start that you get asked on the driving test, and it's one of the things that it's not a difficult thing to do. So it's important that you practice it though. So we're going to do a right turn here, and while you're driving around in your driving test, they're going to ask you to pull over quite a few times, and one of the times they're going to ask you to pull over behind a car, one car left behind it, they'll say. Sometimes it's near a driveway and they'll say to you, don't worry about the driveway, we're only stopping for a few seconds. And I'm just looking ahead of myself, one that I can get into, that's safe to drive out of. So it's one of the ones where what they're trying to see off you is good observations, because the car's blocking your view a little bit, good control of the clutch, you don't want to race off fast because you're supposed to be controlling the speed, and an ability to do it and not panic. So there's one ahead of us there, the light blue one on the left. So they'll say to you, pull over on that, behind that car, one car left behind it. So I'm checking my mirrors, signals coming, don't worry about the driveway, they'll say, you'll only be there for a few seconds. So 9 times out of 10 you pull over short, closer, they'll say, closer, 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 that'll do. And they'll say to you, right, when you're ready, drive off. So it's important to have it, obviously don't have the clutch high because you're going to race towards that car and have an accident. So look at the road, stick a signal on, helps. Look through that window of the car in front of you, have a look around, be careful, and just hold the clutch steady and just hold that gas steady so that you go around, and a nice big steer to go around the problem, and then you're off. It's as easy as that. Shall I do it again? We'll find another car, yeah? So you can demonstrate it again. So we'll do a left out of here. So yeah, so it's angle start. It's like a 45-degree angle to get out of. So if you've not practiced this and you work with your partner or your mum or dad, then practice it. It's quite a good one, because like I say, you need enough biting point to move the car forward, but you don't want it too high because you don't want to race forward. And remember, don't focus on the car, focus on going round the car. So I'll just get past these cars here. So that's what we'll do. We'll take the next left turn, and if we see a car, we're going to pull over within 1 car length of it, and then we're going to pull off. So we're just going to demonstrate it again. So next left turn, there's usually a few cars on this road. I can see one straight away, and they'll say, don't worry about the driveway, you're only going to be there for a few seconds. So I'm pulling over, signal back on, and get close to that car. That's it. And like I say, what they want to see off you is control. So handbrake, neutral, cancel signal, back into gear, off you go when you're ready. So it's not a rush, bit of power, there's a junction behind you, there's a bend, have a look round. Remember, a little bit of biting point, you don't want it high, and you want to come off slowly, looking round, so you can go round the car. So it requires a big steer. That's it. I'm going to bring myself back in.